Check out this 2003 Nissan Frontier 2WD. Carfax has certified this Frontier 2WD as having one owner. This Frontier 2WD has just under 75,500 miles. For your protection, a service contract is available. This vehicle gets an estimated 17 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. This Frontier 2WD boasts a 3.3-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the 4-speed automatic transmission with odd, standard, floor mats, PIO, bed extender, PIO, and the tow hitch, PIO. Call 813-956-8086 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.